Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to start cleaning on your ECOVACS X1 Turbo robot. So you can choose either auto mode, so it will clean the whole house. Room mode, so when you click on the room mode, you can select which rooms to clean, just like that. Or custom, so you can draw an area which will be cleaned, just like that. You can move it, you can resize it, you can add another area, so for example only these two areas will be cleaned, or maybe here, just like that. You can delete these areas, go back to auto, and then to start cleaning just click here. You can also adjust the cleaning preferences when you slide up. You can set it to standard, then change the cleaning passes to 1 or 2 passes. Change the suction power to quiet mode, standard, strong or max. The water flow rate to low, medium or high. The mop mode to standard or deep cleaning. You can also enable mop only, edge deep cleaning. You can change the sequence, so the order in which the rooms will be cleaned, like that or like that. I'm gonna cancel that. You can also adjust some other things, and you can just start it like that. You can also go to customize, and you can customize it there. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.